seems like it might be a little too much, you know? Girls like to shave dick though. They like hairless balls too. No hair to get stuck in their teeth. I think it works out well. You know? Ooh, that hurt. You look like Casper. Anyway, we're coming back around to where we started at. So I'll probably cut the film because, like I said, I really watch these myself, but you never know. I get a lot of hits off YouTube thinking I'm crazy or something. I don't know. But anyway, maybe break out the GoPro. It took me a while to sync it to the phone. You know, the Bluetooth. I gotta get the better one. I have the white edition, so it's not the best. I gotta get the black edition. Black is better. Look at the shorty right here. She's looking good too. It's kind of old though. So like cottage cheese. Okay, we definitely made a circuit now. So I'm gonna just turn it on maybe sporadically at this point. Alright? Unless you want to hear the song. You want to hear the song? The song is cool. I'm gonna turn it up. Uh-oh. Where's the money? Oh man, hold on. Right now. They got the horses up in here today. That's probably cops. No, I didn't see the trailer though. I know, we'll have to check it out. Oh no, that's Pony Rides. Yeah, that's just Pony Rides. Thinking about getting a new car. The Caddy's up. And the Lincoln. Next August. Really next January, because depending on where I go, I got 6 months to deal with it. So, homie's gonna be pushing something new. I only want one car payment though. I don't want 2 car payments. I don't need to. You know, Jenny gonna drive, you know, my car. I know it makes sense for me to have 2 cars. It's ridiculous. Right now, I got about $1,400 worth of car payment, 2 cars, insurance. Ridiculous. You know? I gotta cut that out. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Oh yeah, we gotta cut it short this time. We're not going all the way around. But anyway. Yeah, so I'm thinking about a Mercedes AMG E550 or S550, I think. You know? Either one of the two. I break it down like that. Oh, let's try. Thank you. She's out with Dad. Grandpa's out with his grandkids. That's one thing. I'll say this and I'll probably go. Part of me wishes I had kids. Well, I got a daughter, but you know, kids that live with me in my house. You know? But part of me wishes I had done that. I mean, I can still do it now. You know? I gotta find me a girl though. Look at those funny looking birds. Look at all that flood. Anyway, I was thinking about it, but oh, the camera jerk. Piece of shit. I'm assuming it went down. I'm gonna pull it back up. I thought it was tight enough. I better watch. I'm in the street now. I'm in the street now. I'm checking it out. Alright, still recording. As soon as this song's off, I'm gonna cut it off anyway. enough. A few seconds in. Anyway, Big Daddy might be having a kid out here. Thinking about it though. I mean, now I got this money. Why waste it on? Or why spend it on something like that? Kids are expensive, you know. All right, yeah, cut it now.